So, hi everyone. This is a members only video, so exclusively for the members. So today I'll show you how I use LinkedIn, not just in your job search, but it also plays a very crucial role in your learning, in your upskilling, in building a network, and there are tons of advantages of LinkedIn. So today I'll just give you an idea of how I use LinkedIn for upskilling, for increasing my knowledge, and how I make sure whatever I consume on LinkedIn, the knowledge is authentic, the knowledge is what is actually required from an industry awareness perspective. A live video. This is being shot on 3rd May 2025. So to say some person has posted. So obviously pile cap is as I'm a structural engineer is one of the essential foundation types. So the very first things whenever you see such things or whenever I see such posts, I take a note that okay, for 20-inch pile dia what capacity one can get. So this can give you a rough idea. In the sense, if you are a structural engineer, you are attending interviews or you're searching for jobs, this type of questions will be surely asked. Like, so I need to start with some basic initial sizing. So to get such sizing, so this is how I use LinkedIn when there are comments. So I also check comments for my learning. I'll show you how to check comments for our learning. So if you see that, hey, this is a peer. Exactly below the peer, in his 5 years of experience, he has never placed any pipe. So this is what is commented. Now, what is the learning for me from this? So when I use LinkedIn, I am very active on LinkedIn. So whenever I see something, it makes me think, okay, so why is the person saying it is a very bad idea to locate pile exactly below the peer? So